YouTube.
Hi.
I got the #1 Jepkin buddy here with you. Sorry about the lighting because we have to do this in my dining room. So as a junker, sometimes you get special requests from people that are looking for stuff. I have clients that ask me to keep my eyes open for a bunch of different things, and this table right here represents a special request we got. To do what?
To prepare a wedding.
Not a wedding,
Well,
a shower. My nephew's getting married, so my future niece-in-law is a little cumbersome, so she's just gonna have to be my niece. We like her, right?
Yeah.
She's one of your favorite people?
Mm-hmm.
Definitely on the prayer list?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right. We like Courtney. We have the honor of putting together a shower for her, and she likes vintage and shabby chic, which...
That's what we do.
Who better to do a vintage shower, a vintage inspired shower than us, right? So we've been picking for her. We've been out looking for wedding stuff, and this is the bulk of what we found, and we kind of wanted to share with you. For the last 6 months or so, I have been looking for pieces, and a lot of this stuff was picked up various different places throughout the Twin Cities, throughout the state of Minnesota. Some of it is from my own personal collection because I have inventory. We're gonna show you how we style a shower, and you'll get to watch us set up and all that really great stuff. I won't make you watch all the cooking, but we're gonna do the shower at my mom's house, so we have to get everything out, pulled together, and packed up. But it gave me an opportunity to really go through my inventory to find sort of shabby chic things. Courtney doesn't like pink. So that was the thing is, I'm not really shabby chic. That's a Rachel Ashwell thing. That's her style. She has a very specific style. So this is kind of going to have a shabby chic vibe. It's going to be my take on a shabby chic vibe. The Stacy and Victoria take on shabby chic, because we can only do what we do, right? So it's going to be more vintage, rustic kind of shabby chic. And we tried to keep the pink to a minimum. She likes blue and purple. So we're going to use that for decoration at the shower. And we found some other really great vintage items, because it's really funny the things you can pull together to sort of repurpose for this. I did a little video of me going through my inventory and pulling some stuff out. Why don't you watch that while we figure out what we've got? Really dirty, but super sweet. Nortaki. There's a Candace pattern, so I think probably have some veggies or something in there. Yeah, take it away. Oh, pink sugar bowl violates the terms of the pink agreement, but I think it kind of has to go in. Yeah, that's gonna go in the box too. Oh, this tea party has come together. There's a little bit of gold here. Do I need it? I don't know. Little gold branches going in the box. Oh, little gold ribbon going in the box. Okay, this is an inventory, but this is a box of my great-great-grandmother's china. I think it fits the bill. It's pink, but it's got purple on it. And look at what I found. Depression era glass. I didn't even know this was in here. Oh, I love my great-great-grandmother for this. How cute will that be on the table? It's going in. Okay, y'all. I'm going to show you one of my secret little obsessions. Candles. I pick these up wherever I can find them. Let's see what we can find for the shower. One's white. All right, lots of red because they've mostly come out at Christmas. Silver. I'm going to take these out. I think I like these. So that's that aqua that she likes so much. So we're gonna set those aside. That's gonna come with us. And maybe this, well, these don't match. So here is my other dirty little secret. This is actually technically my warehouse. It's my garage. And I'm holding a light up so that you can see it. If I don't, it gets a little dark. But I might put you guys on a stand and just let you watch me run through here. You won't be able to hear me, so might as well put you on time lapse, but I'm gonna see what I can find for the wedding. I can already spot a few things like those flowers over there. They're definitely going. Actually, the bride had wanted to make her dress out of several different vintage wedding dresses. So we had picked up a couple dresses for her, and then she found a dress she was completely in love with that she didn't have to do anything to. So we had these surplus dresses. So what I'm planning to do is make a bridal tree out of one of them. You just have to see my vision. I mean, is that so hard to ask? Is that too much to ask? Do you see my vision?
Mm-hmm.
Are we on the same page?
Yes.
Not a girl. And here's everything except the fresh food packed up and ready to head over. So we've got my great grandmother's china, every piece of inventory that fit the bill, 2 wedding dresses, a crinoline. Just the crinoline, had to freshen that sucker up. And let's see, that shawl, display pieces to make a beautiful centerpiece. We've got the flowers, the bird cage. We're gonna do with the bird cage is we're gonna put a sign on it that says honeymoon fund for people to put money in, because that's always nice to have. But that bin there is full of vintage china, so it's gonna fit the shabby chic mismatched china sort of thing. And all the thank you cards, all of the fancy toothpicks that we found. We found these at a garage sale. It's the coolest thing. Little mid-century, you know, can't use a regular old toothpick. You gotta have something fancy toothpicks. So you got those to take with, and then I got all the fairy lights and the extension cords. And this is what I discovered when I opened my great-grandmother's box of vintage china. It's Homer Laughlin Ironstone, an entire set. The platter, the sugar, the creamer, the whole 9 yards, the vegetable bowl. It's like a set of 12 Homer Laughlin Ironstone china, and it's been in my basement all these years and I had no idea. But yeah, all the little gigas and food and trays and umbrellas, and we are weddinged up. So tomorrow I just have to put the fresh food in and we'll be okay. So we've got the car loaded with all the fresh stuff. Don't have my junkin hat on today because we're not going junkin today. We're, what are we doing today?
We are setting up for a bridal shower.
Bridal shower, a vintage inspired shabby chic bridal shower, and hopefully we have everything. Because we're not coming back.
Pearls.
They're in there.
Candles.
They're in there.
No, those candles that were on the table.
Oh, well, you better get them. That's the key, the gold key. All right, so we forgot something. This is why that's 2 mines.
There's some more too. Some more stuff.
I don't want the smelly one.
Those
That's in the
little ones?
Ziploc. The little ones, yeah, not the stinky ones. I have an issue with stinky ones when I have food. So don't bring the stinky one at all.
Yeah.
All right. I have my coffee while I wait for her. She remembers more than me. You wanna know why? She hasn't had children yet. She's young. She brought extras. I've had to mug for the camera while you were gone. What did you find? Candles. The IKEA candles. That's right. We forgot about those. And our little paper cone things.
Did you want those plates? Those glass plates?
No, because I got enough plates. So we didn't need to bring.
Mom, you're going to have to unlock the handle one because I couldn't unlock, I couldn't lock the other one.
No, because Daddy won't know. You can accidentally lock yourself.
So she's going to lock the door because I couldn't lock it. Bridal shower is going to be at my grandma's house. My mom's grandma's house. So, and we're gonna be in a tent. Seriously? In a tent? Wow. For real this time.
And we are up the road, Jack. You're my favorite person.
My favorite mommy.
So update. We had to make a pit stop at the Dollar Tree. How much is everything at the Dollar Tree?
$1.
$1? Is that your Lisa Koshy impersonation?
Yeah.
You like her, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, Lisa Koshy's fun. We gotta get some skewers for this party, and I forgot a couple other things, so we're gonna stop. See what we can find for $1. Okay, no wooden skewers. But we got a few other things that we forgot, and I got a call from my sister, so apparently I'm late. It's her son's getting married. I must be late.
Yeah.
We're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, we're gonna make a bride tree. Okay, I think it was a successful party.
Yeah.
My junket buddy looks like Alice Cooper right now. She had a long day. We are coming home a lot lighter than we left with. Even we're down 2 wedding dresses. The bride's friend loved the wedding gowns that we used for the bride tree, and it looks like she might be wearing one of them in her wedding. Who knows? We'll see, huh?
Yeah.
That'd be kind of cool. And the bride fell in love with a few of my vintage serving pieces, so she just might be opening some at her wedding. Should we give some to her for her wedding?
Yeah.
All right, so happy junking, y'all. And don't forget, watch our video, give it 2 thumbs up, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions about putting together a vintage shower, let us know. Bye.
Bye.